Good morning, students. Today, students, we will do exercise 11.5 of lesson number 11, algebra. So, let's start with it. Firstly, we do question number 1. Firstly, understand the question. Question is state which of the following are equations. You know the meaning of equation. Equation means the expression which is having is equals to sign and having left and right hand side. We call it equation. Clear? You have to give your answer that identify the variable from the equation with the variable. You have to find out that one equation in which there is a variable. Clear? Means there should be is equals to sign also and variable is also there. So firstly we do a part. 17 is equals to sign is present and variable x is also there. So how you write it? A part you mention in a copy exercise 11.5 and question number 1 you write state dash variable. Clear? You will write like this manner. Then a part 17 is equals to x plus 7. So you write equation. It is a equation with variable x. There is a variable x, so you write like this. Now rest of the part I will write only the answer. B is a equation. No, you write B it is not an equation. C part, check it out. C part, they have written 4 by 2 is equals to 2. There is a equation equal sign, so it is equation, but it is a numerical equation. So you write any variable is there? No. And it is because it is a numerical equation. Clear? Now in D part also same answer you write in D part also. No, it is a numerical equation because there is numbers present only and is equal to sign is also there. So that's why we say it is not a equation with variables. Now we do E part. There is a equation, yes, with variable x. So you write. So E part is a equation with variable x. Okay. Now we do F part. F part is it equation? Yes, you write. It is an equation with variable. I am writing only answer. Question you can see from the book. With variable x. Clear? Now we do G part. G part is having greater than sign. So it is an equation? No, it is not an equation. Clear? So it is total having O part. I have done till O, G. So H to O part you have to do by yourself. Clear? Now we do question number 2. Question number 2 is you have to complete the entries in the third column of the table. So how we do, you will write question number 2 only this thing, complete the entries in the third column of a table in the copy, and then we write one by one all the parts. First is 10y is equals to 80. Solution. Put what the value of y given? They have given you 10. So in place of y you have to put 10. So left hand side you write left hand side 10y is equals to 10y into 10, it will be 100. Clear? So 100 is equals to 80. No, it is not equals to 80, so answer is no. Clear? Now we do B part. All the parts we will do like this manner only. B part is put y is equals to 8. When you put y is equals to 8, 10y is there, 10 into 8, answer come 80. So are they equations? Yes, you write yes. Now we do C part. 10y is equals to 80. C part, 10y is equals to 80. Put y is equals to 5. 10 into 5 is equals to 50. 50 is not equals to 80, so you write no. Now we do D part. Your D part is 4L is equals to 20. Clear? Put L is equals to 20 only. 4 into 20 is 80. So 80 is the left hand side and right hand side is 20. So 80 and 20 are not equal, so answer is no. Now we do E part. All the parts we do like this manner only. 4L is equals to 20. So now you have to put the L value is 80. Clear? So 4L, which is equals to 4 into 80, 320. 320 is not equals to 20, so answer is no. Clear? Now we do F part. F part is 4L is equals to 20, and this time you have to put L 5. So 4 into 5 is equals to 20, which is equals to 20. Answer is yes. Clear? Now we do G part. B plus 5 is equals to 9. Now put B is equals to 5. 5 plus 5 is equals to 10, which is not equals to 9, so answer is no. H part, B plus 5 means same question is there, but the values are different. You have to put B 9. 9 plus 5 is 14, which is not equals to 9, so answer is no. I part is B plus 5 equals to 9. Solution, put B is equals to 4. 4 plus 5 is equals to 9, which is equals to 9. Answer is yes. Clear? Similarly, students, you do H, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q parts. Whatever the parts left, that one parts you have to do by yourself. So I hope you understand how to do exercise 11.5 question 1 and 2. Clear? So thank you and have a nice